What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change the email associated with your PayPal account. Now I'm on mobile, but you could do this on desktop as well. It's just going to be a similar process. So once you have your PayPal app open, you're going to hit your little profile picture icon in the upper left hand corner there. And then you're going to be taken to this sort of settings menu. One of the first options down right below invite friends is going to be your personal info. You're going to click on that. Now this is going to be a little tough to see because I obviously have to black it out because I don't want anyone to see my personal info. But under this screen here, the first option right below the change photo option, it's going to be like a little toolbar with a bunch of personal information. The first one down is going to be an option to change email. You're going to hit that. And then from there, you'll just be able to change your email and add whatever email you want. You might have to verify it, obviously, but if it's your email, you should have no problem doing that. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you were confused or you had any questions, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and also read the description because there's some very important information that you won't want to miss.
Da 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 da.